Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Microsoft Edge web browser keeps logging you out of websites. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, you want to go ahead and search for Microsoft Edge and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the modify button. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You're going to get a little window here that says repair Microsoft Edge. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. Select repair and then give this a couple minutes to run here. And then Microsoft Edge should relaunch at this point, and hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.